1,000 years ago or more, the great peacemaker came among our people. He introduced the principles of peace, health, equity, justice, and the power of the good minds, which is to say, to be united in thought, body, and spirit. He brought peace to our warring nations, and he raised new leaders, clan mothers and chiefs, instructing us on our responsibilities. Among those many instructions, one continues to resonate today. He said to us, "When you sit in council for the welfare of the people, think not of yourself, nor of your family, or even your generation. Make your decisions for the 7th generation coming, so that they may enjoy what you have here today. If you do this, there will be peace." That is a profound instruction on responsibility that should be the basis for the world's decision makers today. Oran Lions, Faith Keeper, Turtle Clan, Onondaga Nation Council of Chiefs, Haudenosaunee.